I don't even drink, Your Honor. The only reason why that
Well,
came,
what happened? Did somebody pour some down? You had, oh, wait, let me get. Did you have vodka pasta or rum cake? Mr. Beck, a little ingenuity. I'm going to need folk in your age group to stop acting like y'all are helpless. Y'all been babied. I'm from that old school, the one where your mamas ain't doing for you. They going to push you out of the nest and make you figure out.
Judge Hayward couldn't be more justified here. The defendant is 28 years old and still couldn't manage to follow the most basic condition of the probation. Stay away from alcohol for just 1 year. That's it. One simple rule, and he failed to follow through. Probation, after all, is the court's way of saying, we're giving you a chance to prove you can do better. It's a privilege, not a free pass. And when you ignore that opportunity, you're basically asking for more time and stricter supervision. What's frustrating is how effortless this could have been to avoid. It wasn't about money, status, or skill. It was about discipline. So now, instead of moving forward, he's looking at extended probation and an even longer road to redemption. But what do you think? Was this an easy condition he just didn't care to meet, or is there more to his story that we're not seeing?
Before this court for battery family violence, simple battery family violence, and simple battery family violence. On the 19th day of February 2024, you were sentenced to 24 months on probation. You have 1 month and 15 days remaining on the first case, 2023 CR 07318, and 12 months on the consecutive case, 2021 CR 00449. This is your second hearing, and the sentence was not told. Says you failed to avoid injurious and vicious habits. You tested positive for the metabolites of alcohol. You failed to comply with counseling. So you failed to do the family violence intervention program. You failed to attend NA or AA. You failed to complete risk reduction program. You failed to complete community service, and you failed to pay your currently $2,880 in arrears. Wow, sir. You have wasted 11 months and done nothing. So tell me what's going on. Why?
when I came to see you, I had told you I wasn't working. I was out of work. So all the things that I really have to pay for, I didn't have the money to do. And like I was just telling my attorney here that I just recently received a job, like back in November.
AA is free, and staying off, not drinking is free.
Like I said, I've been everything that I have to pay for, I haven't attended to because I just didn't have the money to do it. I've been doing my.
Okay, how many times have you gone to AA?
I don't have my log. I've been doing.
You just don't have what?
I don't have my log, so I can't really give you an exact number. But I've been doing my AA meetings like once a week, as told to me to do so. So I've been doing my AA meetings.
Okay, well,
Put that aside, Judge.
even if we ignored all of that, Mr. Beck has done bupkis, and this is his second hearing, and he tested positive for alcohol. How old are you, Mr. Beck?
Yeah.
Mr. Beck, you're 28 years old. Is this going to be your life?
No, ma'am.
Red jumpsuit.
No, ma'am.
It's starting to be, Mr. Beck. I got 2 cases in front of me. You basically have done nothing on probation. This is your second hearing. So I feel like you're okay with this.
I'm not okay with it. Like I always been trying to do my best with doing what's been asked of me to do.
No, sir. See, just trying to do your best. You're 28 years old. You're a grown man. If you were trying to do your best, then we wouldn't be having this conversation. So much more would be done.
I have to agree with Judge Hayward here. She's saying what a lot of people are probably thinking. It's hard not to notice how often younger adults seem unwilling to put in the effort it takes to meet even basic responsibilities. This defendant isn't a teenager fresh out of high school. He's 28, an age where accountability should already be second nature. Yet, instead of owning up to his obligations, he coasted through probation like it was optional. The judge's frustration is understandable. It's not about being harsh. It's about expected maturity. Somewhere along the way, too many people started treating rules and hard work as suggestions instead of standards. So what's really happening here? Is it laziness, entitlement, or just a refusal to face reality? Whatever the cause, it's a wake-up call worth paying attention to. Now, let's get back to the hearing and see how this all plays out in real time.
you're saying, but if it's hard for me to find a job, what more do you want me to do about the classes that I have to
What
take?
you looking for, Mr. Beck? What kind of job we talking about?
Any job that'll accept me to come and work for them. So,
Judge,
Mr. Beck, you obviously don't know about the legal hustle. Mr. Beck, do you know I can sew? I can braid. I can lay concrete if I have to. I can do lawn work. I have driven a backhoe. I have driven a dump truck. I have graded a road using said backhoe. All of this is self-taught. I have put shingles on a roof. All of this, and I'm not no big girl. I'm like 5'2". So I have learned all of these things. If I can figure out how to, I put a gas line in a hedge trimmer one time because I needed a new gas line to make the hedge trimmer work. I figured it out. So, Mr. Beck, if I could figure out how to do all of these things, and I got a law degree, you can figure out how to do some jobs. You can do some jobs. You don't have to get a job where somebody's hiring you. They need people to do all kinds of stuff. There's people doing roofing work, plumbing work. Even if you don't know how to do it, they need somebody to haul away scrap. Okay, can I come by and pick up the scrap and move that out of the way for you? There's things you can do. Mr. Beck, a little ingenuity. I'm gonna need folk in your age group to stop acting like y'all are helpless. Y'all been babied. Y'all have been babied. I'm gonna just tell you, I'm from that old school, the one where your mamas ain't doing for you. They gonna push you out of the nest and make you figure out how to do stuff. Find something. All these jobs you're looking for, okay, then figure out how to earn $1. Offer to do some work for somebody. Yo, man, can I help you pick up this concrete or lay concrete or pick up this plywood or clean up this work site so I can make $1? I'm just tired of y'all 20-somethings coming before me and y'all just don't do nothing. And then in all of this, knowing what you have, then you decide to go drink.
So, do you think an extra 120 days of probation was fair? Personally, it's hard to argue otherwise. This defendant had a full year to prove he could follow simple terms, find a job, stay sober, and be honest with the court, and he failed on every front. To make matters worse, he tried to lie to Judge Hayward, which is never a winning strategy. Probation is meant to be a second chance, not a loophole, and when you treat it like a game, you lose credibility fast. What's most disappointing here is the attitude behind it. It reflects a mindset that seems more common lately, wanting success without putting in the work. Opportunities are out there, but you still have to show up, stay disciplined, and do your part. The judge wasn't being cruel. She was being real. At 28, this man needed to hear that actions have consequences and that effort still matters. This case isn't just about a single probation violation. It's about accountability, personal growth, and what happens when you keep dodging responsibility. Hopefully, this experience gives him the reality check he's been avoiding. If you found this breakdown insightful, make sure to like and subscribe for more courtroom coverage, and let me know, was Judge Hayward being too strict, or was her response exactly what the situation called for?
Drink, Your Honor. The only reason why that.
Well, what happened? Did somebody pour some down? You had, oh, wait, let me get. Did you have vodka pasta or rum cake?
Neither. I was just sick, and I just went for what I knew is taking simple medicine, and that's really what it is.
No, sir. No. I'm not buying the medicine, the NyQuil. I'm not.
All right, but that's the only excuse I have because I really don't even drink like that. As he was just trying to figure out as to why I have to take DUI classes with no record of me doing anything. Alcohol or drugs.
Okay. I see Mr. Lynch has given you an idea about how to talk to me about your case. Okay. Even if we skip the DUI program, you ain't done nothing else.
Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
I would just point out that he was given a 24-month sentence. So he has a whole nother year in which he can prove to this.
No. So, Mr. Lynch, this is the thing that I don't like people saying. Okay, I'm gonna waste the whole first year. So I got the second year to do right. No, if you wanted to show me that you want to be done, then do it all in the first year. And then the second year, I say, hey, we don't need to do this the second year because he did everything. He showed me that he really wanted to be off probation. He showed me that that this had an effect on him. So no, I'm not doing, I'm going to take, will you say 180 days, Ms. Chang?
120, Your Honor.
It sounded like you said 180 because that's what I'm hearing. But this is the second hearing, Mr. Lynch. I'm just tired of second hearings. I'm tired of people who play me the first time and then come back and tell me about all the children they supporting. If he wasn't able to support himself and do anything, he ain't supporting them kids. Their grandparents are. Whoever the mama is living with her mama and they supporting these kids. Where your kids living, Mr. Beck?
They live with my baby mother, and they have their own apartment. She has her own place.
And she's probably on assisted living if she's not working and sufficiently to support them. But you're not supporting them. So I'm this whole thing of, well, I'm supporting my kids and please.
He's not claiming to be the sole provider.
No, I hope the Lord he's not. I mean, I did put him under oath at the beginning of this.
Right.
Mr. Beck, I'm going to teach you that you don't need to be trifling anymore. I just really, you're going to need to start standing up and being a man. That 120 days is sounding real good. Yeah, let's get this 120 days. And then after that, we'll suspend, as long as there's no violations, we'll suspend the remainder of the term. But that means that if you mess up, then you'll come back to me and I still have 12 months or whatever left to play with. So yeah. 120 days will be